Welcome to Learn English Like a Native. At the airport.
The large glass doors slid open, and Emma stepped into the bustling airport terminal. The noise hit her immediately. Announcements over the intercom, hurried footsteps, and the occasional sound of suitcase wheels rolling across the floor. She had always loved airports. They represented adventure, new beginnings, and the unknown. But today was different. Today, her heart pounded with anxiety. Her flight was scheduled to leave in 2 hours, and this time, she wasn't going on vacation or a business trip. She was moving to another country, leaving behind everything she knew. She clutched her boarding pass and passport tightly, glancing around the crowded space. People rushed by, some alone, some with families. Emma wondered what stories each person carried. Were they traveling for joy or sorrow, for a reunion or a goodbye? Finding a seat near the large windows, Emma sat down, watching planes take off and land. The sight was mesmerizing, the powerful engines roaring to life, lifting massive machines into the sky. She thought about her own flight, how in just a few hours, she'd be thousands of miles away from home. Her phone buzzed, pulling her from her thoughts. It was a message from her best friend Sarah. "Good luck, Em. You've got this. Keep me posted." Emma smiled, feeling a mix of comfort and sadness. She replied with a quick, "Thanks, I'll miss you," then put her phone away. The clock was ticking, and soon it would be time to board. As the boarding announcement echoed through the terminal, Emma took a deep breath. She stood up, grabbed her carry-on, and headed to the gate. This was at the start of a new chapter. She didn't know what lay ahead, but with every step toward the gate, she felt her anxiety slowly shift into excitement. The plane door loomed ahead, and with one final glance back at the terminal, she stepped through, ready for whatever came next.
Some verbs and phrases.
1. Step. Emma stepped into the busy terminal, feeling overwhelmed. 2. Hit. The noise immediately hit her as she entered the airport. 3. Clutch. She clutched her boarding pass tightly, feeling nervous. 4. Rush. People rushed by, heading to their gates in a hurry. 5. Sit. Emma sat by the window, watching planes take off. 6. Buzz. Her phone buzzed, pulling her out of her thoughts. 7. Reply. She quickly replied to her friend's message. 8. Board. The announcement called for passengers to board the plane. 9. Take. Emma took a deep breath as she approached the gate. 10. Glance. She glanced back one last time before stepping onto the plane.
Some adjectives and phrases.
1. Busy. The airport was busy, filled with travelers rushing in every direction. 2. Anxious. Emma felt anxious as she thought about her long journey ahead. 3. Bustling. The bustling terminal echoed with the sounds of people and announcements. 4. New. Moving to a new country was both exciting and terrifying for her. 5. Crowded. The seating area was crowded, with hardly any empty chairs available. 6. Loud. The loud announcement startled Emma as she checked her phone. 7. Nervous. Her hands were nervous, gripping the boarding pass tightly. 8. Comforting. Her friend's message was comforting, giving her some peace. 9. Excited. Despite her worries, Emma felt excited for the adventure ahead. 10. Final. She gave the terminal one final look before stepping onto the plane.
Now try to read out loud. Keep it up, every lesson helps you get better. At English, we're excited to see in my next video. Please don't forget to share and like and subscribe for more lessons.